Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Casula for Casula part number 5, and departing on platform number 2 we have K66 for a Campbelltown service. They all stop at Glenfield, then followed by Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lumiere and Campbelltown. While we have A64 now arriving on platform number 1, City Circle Fire Granville service. Stopping at Liverpool, followed by Warwick Farm, Caparramatta, Canley Vale, Fairfield, Yanoa, Guildford, Merrylands, Granville, Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Ashfield, Wedfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. A64 will shortly depart in platform number 1 for a City Circle Fire Granville service. Next up being Liverpool. We have a Waratah pass on platform number 1. A34. We have a Scofield's service arriving on platform number 1, and it's an S set. Stopping all stations to Parramatta, followed by Westmead, all stations to Blacktown, Demarion, Crackers Hill and Scofields. S46. S46 now departing platform number 1, Schofield service. S46 will be stopping at Liverpool, then all stations to Merrylands, then following by Harris Park, Parramatta, Westmead, then all stations to Blacktown, then following by Marion, Crackers Hill and Schofields. S46 is set. We have a K set arriving on platform number 1 at Casula for a City Circle Fire Granville service. K67 is a front half. I should be able to tell you the rear half of this K set as soon as it departs. K67 and friend now departing platform number 1, City Circle Fire Granville service. K67 will be stopping at Liverpool, then all stations to Merrylands, then followed by Granville, Auburn, Lidcombe, Flemington, Strathfield, Ashfield, Wedfern, Central and a City Circle. Rear half K84. Freight pass on platform number 1, it's a cement train. 8170 leading. We have one number 2 BM7 passing the ARTC freight corridor. 6023 leading, followed by LDP 006, LDP 008. There goes 2 BM7 on its way to Melbourne. We have a Tango prototype arriving on platform number 2 for a Leppington service. C11 is the front half. This lovely 8-car C set will be stopping at Glenfield, followed by Edmonton Park and Leppington. I shall be able to tell you the rear 4 cars of this C set in a moment. C11 and friend, now departing platform number 2. Leppington service. C11 and friend will be stopping at Glenfield, then followed by Edmonton Park and Leppington. The rear half of this 8-car C set is C10, sister set. We should have a Campbelltown service arriving on platform number 2 at Casula. S91. S91 now departing platform number 2 Campbelltown service. S91 will be stopping at Glenfield, followed by Macquarie Fields, Ingleburn, Minto, Lemire and Campbelltown, while we have K72 arriving on platform number 1. Followed by pass K71 front half. Rear half K80. Fun fact about K80. K80 featured in a 1998 telemovie about the 1977 Granville train disaster, The Day of the Roses. We should have a Scofield service arriving on platform number 1 at Casula. This will be my train. Next up, Liverpool, then all stations to Parramatta, then all stations to Blacktown, followed by Marion, Crackers Hill and Schofields. K74 is the set. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen,
please stand clear.
Time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.
Pudding and a cup